With over 9,000 cryptocurrencies out there, which ones are worth your money and effort? Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. Buffett runs Berkshire Hathaway, which owns more than 60 companies, including insurer Geico, battery maker Duracell, and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. The son of a U.S. congressman, he first bought stock at age 11 and first filed taxes at age 13. He clearly knows what he's doing, so why not copy him? We did some research on what his cryptocurrency portfolio looks like, and this will surprise you. Warren Buffett reveals his crypto portfolio. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of the new videos that we post. What does Warren Buffett think about cryptocurrency? Buffett has a deep opposition to cryptocurrency, but there is something you should know about. His involvement in cryptocurrency is visible in other ways. Let's first look at his opposition to the money of the future. Within the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin BTC continues to skyrocket in 2021. The world's hottest digital forex has breached the US $60,000 mark on March 13th, 2021. Bitcoin completed at $61,243.09 US, or a 529.2% year-over-year improvement. Regardless of the worth going via the roof, Buffett has not touched the cryptocurrency. During Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholders meeting on May 1st, Buffett dodged a question about cryptocurrencies in his humor style. The 90-year-old legendary investor said, "I'm going to dodge that question because we probably got hundreds of thousands of people watching this that own Bitcoin. We've got two people that are short. We've got a choice of making 400,000 people mad at us and unhappy or making two people happy. That's just a dumb equation." The secret? Warren Buffett has invested indirectly in cryptocurrency. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has made a $500 million investment in the parent company of the privately held digital bank Nubank, which has been offering cryptocurrency investment products to its users. Nubank is a private bank based in Brazil that was founded in 2013 and has roughly 40 million customers. The customer CEO has revealed an initial public offering is not currently being planned out but is likely possible in the future. The $500 million investment is notable as Buffett is a well-known Bitcoin critic who has in the past called the cryptocurrency a gambling device and argued that they're worthless because they don't produce anything. The investor has made a similar case against gold. Is it possible he's just wrong? He has made some bad investments of his own. The digital bank notably acquired Easy Invest, a digital investment platform, late last year. The platform allows anyone to invest without paying commissions and offers its users access to Bitcoin exchange-traded funds and products, including 3iQ's QBTC Bitcoin investment product. Berkshire Hathaway has markedly made significant investments in financial firms in the past, with traditional banks and insurance firms making up a large portion of its portfolio. In the first quarter of the year, however, Buffett had sold nearly all of his stake in Wells Fargo. Last year, the Oracle of Omaha has also invested in gold mining firm Bear Gold, but seemingly sold his stake in it a few months later. To the investor, gold and Bitcoin are non-productive assets, unlike businesses or farms. When investors buy these assets, he says they're just counting on the next person paying more for them, as the asset itself is creating nothing. Is Buffett changing his mind on cryptocurrency? The question is, if Bitcoin is not a creative asset, why invest in a business that uses cryptocurrency? We call foul. What Buffett says are two different things. Not only does he call cryptocurrency valueless, but he said the same about gold, and even if he were right, a lot of people are making money off gold and cryptocurrencies. The other important factor to remember is that cryptocurrency does have a value that creates something. The blockchain technology on which it's based is already changing the world. With what cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and IOTA are built on has something more valuable, programming languages that serve a purpose in that they make things like smart contracts possible. And IOTA uses the Internet of Things as its basis. The Internet of Things is the future of our civilization, among others. Is Warren Buffett becoming aware of this? If he is, will he admit it or simply change his game plan just like people like Elon Musk, who is more than 200 times wealthier than him and has let Tesla invest in Dogecoin? The perfect example of a digital currency that does nothing valuable. Its value lies in the fact that people support it, in the same way that people support fiat currency. If cryptocurrency with so many thousands of users are useless, why does fiat currency still make sense? If the majority of the world were to decide tomorrow to value cryptocurrency above fiat currency, then that cryptocurrency will have all the worth in the world and fiat currency would lose all the value. We predict that if Buffett does not yet have a cryptocurrency portfolio, he will have one within a year or two, even during this current bearish market. Diversification is key. Let's look at one of Buffett's main principles in investing: diversification. With nearly 10,000 cryptocurrencies out there, not even Warren Buffett can speak for every single one. The investor must win if he diversifies enough. There isn't only one best cryptocurrency to buy unless you're exceptionally lucky. Investing in cryptocurrency is mostly risky, but investing in only one is riskier. So ensure you diversify diversify your crypto portfolio. In other words, invest in different cryptocurrencies at the same time. Diversification is a great way to hedge your risk and increase your chances of being involved in the next hot cryptocurrency. When investing in cryptocurrency, look at the less volatile coins in each category, investing in different categories of coins that exist, cryptocurrencies that are relatively easy to ignore and trade. If we were Warren Buffett, we would invest in the following cryptocurrencies. The Oracle of Omaha seems to have lost some of his good sense when it comes to comparing worthless cryptocurrency against worthless fiat currency. Fiat currency is defined as currency that is declared by a country's government to be legal tender. Examples of fiat include the US dollar, euro, yen, pound sterling, etc. Unlike other historical currencies, which were backed by the value of a physical commodity such as gold or silver, the value of fiat is derived from its demand and supply as well as the stability of the issuing government. Any government can declare a cryptocurrency legal tender and start changing the world. As far as stability goes, simply declare the US dollar as a cryptocurrency. What impact would that have? That depends on how new tokens are created. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that I recommend with an anonymous founder. The creator of Bitcoin is known as Satoshi Nakamoto. There's a lot of speculation about who he or she is, but ultimately no one knows. On the other hand, the team actively updating Bitcoin's open source code base is run by top cryptographers in the space such as Adam Back. Bitcoin runs on a POW, proof of work system, which means miners receive block rewards in Bitcoin. Initially, the block reward was 50 BTC per block, but with every 210,000 blocks, the reward halves. This means over time, inflation decreases. Also, the supply is limited. Only 21 million coins will ever be mined. As demand increases, the price should raise substantially. What makes Bitcoin a good investment? Market share. Did you know that Bitcoin accounts for over 60% of the total cryptocurrency market cap? This dominance means it has tremendous momentum, which makes it the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2021 if you're a beginner, or if you simply don't trade much. Number 2, Dogecoin. D-O-G-E, Doge. If you keep yourself updated with cryptocurrencies or just have an interest in private payment methods, you would have heard about Dogecoin. It is one of the new private currencies that people are buying as of now. This is one of the craziest things about the crypto world. Like Bitcoin, Dogecoin is one of the methods used in blockchain technology. Experts on Doge prediction are saying that soon one Dogecoin will be equal to $1. So if you're looking to invest in it, you should invest it before its exchange rate is less than $1. As of now, one Dogecoin is valued at 0.2562, but if we talk about its future, it's pretty certain to surpass these values. Therefore, it's my dark horse on this list. Number 3, Litecoin LTC. Litecoin is one of the first cryptocurrencies to come after Bitcoin and one of the hottest cryptocurrencies of the last decade. Using Bitcoin source code, Litecoin is a fork of Bitcoin with some technical changes to the code, making it much faster than Bitcoin. Its mission is also to be a global peer-to-peer currency. Litecoin started with a 50 LTC block reward. Now it is a 12.5 LTC. There is a limited supply of 84 million as compared to Bitcoin's 21 million. Still, this is with a higher block reward and a faster block time. What makes Litecoin a good investment? Litecoin is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It's one of the original altcoins and therefore also has a tremendous market cap when compared to other altcoins. Plus, it has utility. It's faster and cheaper than Bitcoin. Its longevity and utility puts it towards the top of the best cryptocurrency to buy in 2021. Number 4, Ethereum ETH. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin because it isn't only a cryptocurrency. It's also a network that allows developers to create their own cryptocurrency utilizing the Ethereum network. While Ethereum is far behind Bitcoin in value, it's also far ahead of the other competitors. Even though it came out years after some other cryptocurrencies, it has far exceeded its place in the market because of its unique technology. Towards the end of last year, the price of Ethereum was slightly higher than $720, with the total market cap of around $70 billion. At the beginning of 2018, Ethereum climbed and reached its highest price of $1,423 on January 4th. At this time, the total market cap for Ethereum was $233.4 billion. Ethereum grew by about 3,000% in the year 2017 and became the second largest cryptocurrency, placing it behind only Bitcoin. There you have it, our top 4 cryptocurrencies to invest in now if you were Warren Buffett. Let us know if you have any others in mind and other tips for our viewers. Do you think Buffett will change his mind? Thanks for watching and be sure to check back for our next video. Until then, stay safe.